May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast update. Update. This is the Monday or update. All right. I don't like to give too many of these, but I felt it was warranted because the weekly market forecast came out early this morning, like um, during the ending mid London, I guess it was, and that was a slip up on my part, and I apologize for that. But it got surprisingly low viewership behind it, and I want you to know that there's some good stuff in there, like what I'm about to show you. Let's start with the S&P. We're starting with the S&P futures that we looked at, and I said, look for it to go up. That's all. It was just that simple. Look for it to go up. And what did we get today? We got this big, bullish, beautiful candle taking the. Let's do a little close up of this. All right, taking the Friday high. All right, taking the Friday's high, closing well above it, and that would indicate that we're probably going to see a little bit more bullishness in this market. Okay, and I'm pretty sure we're going to take that high, today's high, for sure. Where am I? What was the target? The target was the previous weekly high. All right, this high here, because I think we're going to end up reaching for these highs. All right, I think these ascending highs are a draw on liquidity, particularly this one, because this one marks a bearish fair value gap, and I think we're going to head towards that and probably get a reaction, a speed bump. Okay, so this was accurate. All right, and it happened on Monday. I said Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be the days of trade. Uh, I need you to go check out that forecast. I need you to go check out that forecast. Period. End of story. Where is it at? Matter of fact, here. This is it right there. All right, that's in Trading View. Okay, that is in Trading View. Go check it out. Now we're looking at NASDAQ. NASDAQ went the exact same way. I gave pretty much the same forecast, looking for bullishness. And what did it do? It took out the previous day's high here. That was Friday's high. Closed well above it. Very strong bullish candle. We got the nice little fractal low here, banging off of this order block. This is where I showed that this is where demand is. I like the response or reaction that we got there. I said we're probably going to head up to the previous weekly high, and quite possibly all-time new highs here, right? So so we're well on the way there. This was a great and accurate forecast. We're on our way. All right. If we go to the Dow, go check out that weekly market forecast, people. All right. If we go to the Dow, I even said the Dow was going to go up as well. We got a nice bullish candle, as you can see here. All right. I said that this daily fair value gap here. We never got a close below it. You see these opens and closings here all last week, right? We didn't get it. It just wouldn't. It just held, and we have the order block here, and price popped off of that. Now, today we did take out the low of Friday, all right, and we did not take out the high of Friday, but I believe we're probably going to push higher to the previous weekly high. Yeah, I think, but we're well on our way. Lovely bullish close. We did take a dive, and then we recovered, and price went up higher. All right, and what's happening there, I don't know. Gold. What did I say for gold? I said bullish, right? I did say bullish. And why would I say bullish for gold and bullish with the indices? That doesn't usually happen. They're not correlated positively. They more than oftentimes negatively correlated. All right, inversely or whatever you want to call it. All right, but that's what happened. Look at this big, beautiful uh, bullish candle. We took the previous weekly high, and and it closed well above it. We're on our way to these highs here. All right. See that green arrow? Remember that green arrow from the forecast? Took us to the 4 hour, and I was talking about this the Fibonacci retracement tool. I said we're going to put it at this low here, and we're going to go to the high here, which was Thursday's high. All right, and I said we're probably looking at the what do you call the trading range. All right, we're looking at the trading range. This this low to where's my high? Where's that high? Up to this high, I guess it was. No, was it? I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to remember where I started this doggone thing. Oh, yes, from this low to this high. I said I like the way it came back. I love that retracement right to the magic of the golden ratio 618. I said, we're probably going to be going up higher from here, and that is exactly what we're doing. Bam! All right. So, another accurate piece of analysis there. Thank you very much. I also said for silver that it would be going up. All right. But I said I didn't want to trade it. I said if I'm going to trade between the metals, I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to take it in gold. Silver was the one. Look at this. Look at it. It's crazy. It's crazy. I said that these highs here would be the draw on liquidity, the relative equal highs here, and that's exactly what. Yeah, I mean, it went straight up like a rocket. That is all. I mean, that's just that was just all about getting up higher, and because it closed so well above this the consolidation, all right, and closed so well above it, uh, it indicates to me that we should be going higher, and I'll be looking for that high right there, and that is right at 35. That's right at 35. So, uh, yeah, I do like those are relative equal highs up there as well. So I definitely want you to have that on your radar. Okay, but we another one is correct there. All right, and if we go down to oil, what did I say about oil? All right, I said we have our draw on liquidity. I said this is let it do its thing because it's moving sideways, and that's not a great place to be. And we're in a consolidation here. I said wait until the consolidation is broken, right? But I also mentioned that there is an area of supply up here that has not been tapped yet, right? And I said these relative equal highs will be the draw on liquidity, and then I could see prices coming back lower from there. All right, and I also pointed out that we've taken the low already. We haven't gone to the highs yet, and that's where I thought that price would be coming. It just made sense to me that these highs would draw price up to it. And we are heading in that way. Look at that big, beautiful bullish candle. I said run with the bulls. I said move with the bulls. Just wait for valid buys. That's what I advised. All right, and I said it in my that forecast video, the weekly market forecast. All right, I want you to review that video. All right, I'm going to leave it on your screen. now, and or I'll put it in your I'll put it in the comment area or the description, and you make sure you go review it. All right, there's some good things in there, and I need you to be a part of the goodness. All right, I really appreciate you checking out the video. Make sure you review the one I released this morning, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you again for watching.